Southwest 1477 Baltimore Tower. Good morning, runway 28, line up and wait. Traffic will land on runway 33 left.
Wait, runway 28, Southwest 1477.
Baltimore Tower, Pittsburgh Jet 8333 right, hold me short, Quebec.
Pittsburgh Jet 83, Baltimore Tower. Good morning, hold short of runway 33 right for landing traffic.
Hold short, 33 right, Pittsburgh Jet 83.
The speed is all over the place.
500.
Baltimore Tower, Southwest 362, final 33 left.
Southwest 362, Baltimore Tower. Good morning, 33 left clear to land, wind 300 at 25, gust 35. Traffic will depart and hold on runway 28.
Southwest 362, clear to land, 33 left.
Southwest 1477, traffic 3 mile final, runway 33 left, runway 28, clear for takeoff, wind 310 at 25, gust 34.
Clear for takeoff, 28, Southwest 1477.
Southwest 1073, Baltimore Tower. Good morning, runway 28, line up and wait. Traffic will land on runway 33 left.
28, line up and wait, Southwest 1073.
ABEX 3102, heavy left turn, Romeo. Hold short of runway 28 at Romeo 1 for departing traffic.
Romeo 1, hold short 28, ABEX 3102.